Adding Visa gift card to your Uber Eats is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account. So for that, we will go to the Uber Eats application and it will load, and there you go. And now you just have to tap on this account and it will take you to this page. Here you just have to tap on wallet, and in wallet, remember, if you have Uber Eats gift card, you have to tap on this add funds, and you just have to tap on this gift card. There you have to write the gift code or gift card code of your Uber Eats. But if you want to add Visa gift card, you have to go back, and in this page you have to tap on this add payment method, and here you have to tap on credit or debit card. Now here you just have to fill out the information of your Visa gift card, and after filling out the information you can purchase anything, but remember, you cannot pay more than the amount of money you have in your Visa gift card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can add your Visa gift card in your Uber Eats account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.